Have you ever thought, this is a bad thing in my life? But later, it became something good. Many times, we judge life too quickly. But the truth is, we don't know the full story yet. This is the story of a farmer named Ravi. Ravi lived in a small, quiet village. He lived with his wife and his son, Kamal. They were not rich, but they lived a peaceful life. They had a small house, a little land, and one beautiful horse. This horse was very special. It was strong, healthy, and very loyal. Ravi loved the horse like family, but Ravi had something more special: his thinking. No matter what happened, good or bad, he always said, "Only time will tell." People in the village did not understand him. They thought he was strange. One day, a rich man came to the village. He saw the horse, and he was very impressed. "I will give you a lot of money," he said. "Sell me this horse." The villagers gathered around. They whispered, "Say yes. This is your chance. You will become rich." But Ravi smiled and said, "No, this horse is part of my family. I will not sell it." The rich man offered even more money, but Ravi did not change his answer. The villagers laughed. "What a foolish man! He lost a big opportunity." But Ravi said nothing. He simply went back to his work. A few days later, something unexpected happened. The horse was gone. The stable was empty. The rope was loose. Ravi and Kamal searched everywhere. They looked in the fields, near the river, even in nearby villages. But they could not find the horse. The villagers came again. They said, "Now you have nothing. You made a big mistake." Kamal felt very sad. He said, "Father, this is very bad." But Ravi stayed calm. He said, "My son, maybe it is so bad. Maybe it is not. Only time will tell." After about 1 week, early in the morning, Kamal heard something. He heard the sound of horses. He ran outside and saw something amazing. Their horse had returned, and behind it 5 wild horses were following, strong, beautiful, and full of energy. The whole village was shocked. They said, "You are so lucky. Now you are rich." But Ravi smiled again and said, "Maybe it is good. Maybe it is not. Only time will tell." The next day, Kamal was excited. He wanted to ride one wild horse. He climbed on it, but the horse was not trained. It jumped and moved wildly. Kamal fell to the ground. His leg broke badly. The villagers rushed in. They said, "This is terrible. These horses brought trouble." Kamal was in pain. He looked at his father and said, "Why is this happening?" Ravi sat beside him and said calmly, "My son, maybe this is bad. Maybe it is not. Only time will tell." After 2 weeks, soldiers came to the village. A war had started. They took all young men. Families cried. Mothers were afraid. But when the soldiers saw Kamal with his broken leg, they left him. He was not taken to war. Months passed. The war ended. Many young men did not come back, but Kamal was safe at home. One evening, Kamal sat with his father under the quiet sky. He said slowly, "Father, now I understand. What looked bad saved my life." Ravi smiled gently. He said, "Life is not simple, my son. It changes, it turns, it surprises us. We cannot understand everything at once. Do not judge too quickly. Do not lose hope too fast. Life is still moving, and the story is not finished. What feels like a problem today may become a blessing tomorrow. Be patient, stay calm, trust life, because only time will tell." Do you believe this is true? Stay with us and learn English with more beautiful stories.